The auxiliary arm is controlled by a pneumatic lifting switch. There are 4 pedals below, each with a different function. The first foot pedal control allows the auxiliary arm to tilt back and press it again to reset. The second foot pedal control claw is responsible for fixing and tightening the tire. The third foot pedal control allows the large shovel, which needs to be used to remove the tire before each tire removal. The fourth foot pedal controls the rotation of the market. Stepping on it makes it rotate forward, while lifting it up makes it rotate backward.